take out the 7 screws from the case. Next, spread the control box slightly, and then take a knife and just cut along the seam of the control box to separate the label, and carefully remove the cover. Next, cut the damaged or the cable that you're replacing. Take the new cable. If it's an ultra low actuator and you've got a cable roller, put that on. If it's not an ultra low actuator, you won't have a cable roller. And take the O-ring and feed that, and it's important to do it at this point because you could forget it later. Pull the wire out of its channel. I recommend changing the wires one at a time. So the spade connectors, brown off. Replace. Then place the blue one. Make sure they're fully pushed onto the spades. Slide the PCB back in. Then make sure that the cables are in the channel again. Be careful that you don't lose the little cap on the outside of the housing. Ensure that the O-ring is still in place on the tube. Then reinstall the top cover. Close up the control box.